In today's application, we are repairing a step. Firstly, we remove the dust, then applied primer MSP. We then applied Patch It to the step, applying it proud of the surface. After 10 minutes, Patch It is firm enough to shape to your required finish. Patch It is a rapid setting repair mortar that comes in a handy bucket. Inside the bucket is one bag of 10 kg powder, which can be either used to mix or used to store leftover product to retain the freshness. Patch It has a working time of 10 minutes and can be walked on in as little as 30 minutes.